Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, I'm going to show you on how to resolve a common issue you may having on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer when you're attempting to run a backup process applications on your Windows device to go back to a previous point in time and it say the backup applications could not start due to an internal error. Server execution failed with the error code 0x80080005. Please check your system configurations and try again. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na net space stop stop space sdrsvc. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na net space stop space sdrsvc and then press mo lang yung enter. Alright, so once na press mo na yan, and then next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang dito yung NAT space start space so same sdrsvc. So kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na NAT space start start space sdrsvc and then press mo lang yung enter. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na the Windows backup service was started successfully. So, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng another informations regarding this error 0x80080005 simply means that it did not start and the process failed with a server executions error and occur also due to a PC not having full control of the system information's volume folder. And then Windows Backup Service is an excellent feature of Windows and works only on NTFS file system. Alright, so yun po yung ibig sabihin yan. So after mo ma-enter tong dalawang command keyword na to, and then next step, so close lang natin yan. At dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix server execution failed with the error code 0x80080005 Windows backup applications. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.